I will show you how to make simple, fast edits to videos before uploading to YouTube using a free tool called Avidemux. The typical way to edit video is to copy the compressed video from your camera to your computer where you make changes with a video editor. You would then export the video from the editor, compressing the video again, losing some quality. Then when you upload to YouTube, it will compress again to optimize for streaming. The advantage of the method I will show you is that you can trim or merge your videos without compressing them again, preserving the original quality from the camera. GoPro cameras will split a single recording into multiple MP4 files. The first two digits show the order of the MP4 files within a recording. The remaining digits show which recording that file is for. Open Avidemux, then open the 01 MP4 file for the recording you want to edit. Next, append each remaining MP4 file for that recording in order. You can't merge any arbitrary video files like this, but if they were recorded on the same camera with the same settings, they should be compatible. Next, we can trim what we don't need so we only upload the parts we want people to watch. The limitation with this method is you must trim at keyframes. You can jump to keyframes using these buttons. You can select portions of your video to remove using these buttons. You can delete portions you have selected by pressing the delete key. Before you save, make sure video and audio output are set to copy. This is what prevents Avidemux from compressing your file again, preventing any loss in quality and making your changes much faster. I suggest setting your output format to MP4. The default configure option should be fine. Now you can save your video. It may take a few minutes, but it is still much faster than encoding everything again. Now you have a merged and trimmed video ready for upload to YouTube or social media. The video and audio streams are direct from your camera, so it is the best quality possible without enhancements.